Large percentage of pioneers will lose a lot of money to Pi network. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Let's go, guys. And I came across this particular article that really got my attention and I thought I should share with you guys. And under this article, it says that Pi network prices crashes amid scam accusation. A key reason why the Pi network price crash is that Ben Zhu, for those of you who don't know who Ben Zhu is, he is the ByBit CEO. Attacked it of being a scam. He cited the Chinese report that accused Pi of being a scam targeted towards the elderly. And then this is the tweet right here. This is the tweet of Ben Zhu right here saying that Pi network is a scam. Here's the official police warning of Pi from Chinese police back in 2023, warning to the public that it is a scam targeted towards elderly folks, which leaked their personal data and lost pension, blah, 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 blah. And after he made this post was when ByBit had a very massive attack. So there have been speculation going around that allegedly that some people in the Pi core team are behind this attack. That's just word on the street right now. We don't know for a fact if that's true or not, but people are actually saying that because it was immediately after he made this post, that was when the attack was made on ByBit, right? So ByBit is really getting the heat right now. They are facing a lot of financial crisis due to the cyber attack they got recently. And then moving forward, Pi network has rejected these accusations and maintained that it is a genuine crypto project that has been in development in the last 6 years. Why would you just accuse a project that has been developing, has been putting in a lot of work for the past 6 years? It doesn't make any sense. It's not fair for you to just accuse them openly like that. It doesn't make any sense. Then ByBit CEO statement was notable for two reasons. First, the company has become the second biggest crypto exchange in terms of volume after Binance. Then second, it came on the same day that a 1.4 billion hack happened on its exchange. Exactly what I just pointed out. So pioneers likely dumped their tokens amid panic. Now, another reason why the Pi coin price crashed is that many pioneers decided to dump their tokens. The only people that are actually selling their tokens right now are the pioneers. The core team are holding strong. They have major share in this token distribution and they are holding tight, and those people that actually understand Pi network are also holding tight. Historically, most pre-mainnet launch token holders sell them as soon as possible to prevent further losses. Now, in Pi network's case, many of these holders have seen other tap to earn token crash without bouncing back. So probably that was like the reason why so many people sold off their Pi network coins, and there's a high chance that many of them will regret selling off moving forward. So that's basically what I saw that got my attention and I thought to share it here. So the moment Ben Zhu accused Pi, that was when he got that attack. So we should also look into that. But then now, the reason why I said that, now here's the reason why I said large percentage of the pioneers will lose their tokens. There are a lot of paper hands right now that are selling off their tokens. And there's something they're not paying attention to. Short-term actions do not affect long-term potential. So the fact that they're selling off, people that believe so much in these tokens are buying and they're holding on to it. But by the time this token takes off, many of them will lose a lot of money. There will be so much money on the table. Many of them will lose the money. Many of them will lose so much to Pi network because they paper-handed, because there were a bunch of paper hands. A lot of people also do not believe that Pi can be able to hit the 400 billion market cap. I actually believe that Pi network can conveniently hit the 400 billion market cap, considering the way they are moving right now. They did not organize an ICO. These people single-handedly launched this token without an ICO, and they are coming out strong like this. That should tell you something. That should tell you something very solid about the project. That should tell you something very solid about the project. So for those of you that are still not believing in this project, for those of you that are doubting, you should really look out for this project, because Pi network is here to stay. Pi network is here to make a difference. Pi network will change lives. So guys, that's basically what I brought here. If you like this content I just put out, kindly give me a like and also subscribe to this channel to get more contents like this moving forward. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.